12 last-minute holiday social media post ideas for your small business. We're mid-holiday season, and your business may be swamped at this point, but it doesn't mean your social media presence has to suffer. If you're running out of ideas for your social channels this holiday season, we've got just the thing. Keep watching for 12 last-minute social media post ideas for the holidays. 1. Feature your new product or sales on Instagram or Facebook stories. Stories are a super popular content type across multiple social media channels right now. Take advantage and post about your business on your stories. Announce a new product, advertise a sale, or offer a discount on your services. Don't forget to add a call to action such as visit the link in our bio, or tap for more info, to drive people to your website or page. 2. Help out all those procrastinators with shipping info. We've all been one or no one, a holiday shopping procrastinator. Help them out by offering free shipping or local delivery in your city or town. 3. Show support for a local charity or social enterprise. What's your favorite local charity or philanthropic organization? Show them some love on social this holiday season and make your followers all warm and cozy with a good cause. 4. Let your customers know when your hours of operation are. If you have special holiday hours, be sure to post them on social for your followers and customers to read. Social media is where people often get their information about their favorite brands, so you could say it's just smart business. 5. Run a holiday social media contest or giveaway. It's not too late. Engage your followers with an opportunity to win some exclusive new products or services before the holidays. Be sure to read up on how to run a giveaway or contest on social media before starting. There's several things to consider before you begin. 6. Have a holiday flash sale and post about it on social media. Stories are a perfect place to advertise your flash sale, since they only last 24 hours. Let your customers know about your deal, and when it will expire. 7. Start a social media countdown. If you celebrate Christmas, try starting a countdown, or Advent to Christmas on your social media channels. Reveal a new product, an exclusive one-day sale, festive video, or another piece of content each day until the holiday. 8. Share a holiday this or that engagement post. Engage your followers by asking them a question in your next social post. Make it festive, with a holiday-themed post. 9. Ask your followers a question in polls on Instagram stories or Facebook stories. Learn from your audience, or engage them, in fun festive questions, by using a poll in stories on Instagram, or Facebook. 10. Share your holiday gift guide. Share holiday gift guides from other small businesses, or team up with other local businesses to create a local gift guide. Consider creating a gift guide for your followers on social media. Whether that means creating a gift guide full of your business products, compiling all your favorite products from other local businesses, or even teaming up with small businesses in your area to create a shop local guide, be sure to share your gift guide on social. 11. Share a year in review, or past year roundup of your favorite things on social media. 2021 has been a rough year for us all. Share a positive roundup on social media of all your favorite things from the past year, post a year in review for your business, or share a post highlighting all the popular trends for the past year. 12. Simply post a holiday message on your social channels. However you celebrate this season, post a holiday message on social media.